classes. In today's tutorial, we will undertake an analytical approach. In case if you want to get hold of our study material, then you can contact us on this number or even WhatsApp us on this number. And for any further details with regard to our institute, you can check in our website, which is www.sauravsourceclasses.com. Now first, let us look at the question which we are going to do. The question is long. We will be dealing with this entire long question in this tutorial. There are 14 students writing a test. 5 are well prepared, 6 are adequately average prepared, and 3 are poorly prepared. Okay. Now there are 20 questions on the test paper. Okay. A well prepared student can answer 9 questions correctly. So even if you are well prepared, you cannot answer all. Good. Now an adequately prepared student can answer 6 questions, and this number for a poorly prepared is 3. Now find each probability below and write your final answer as rational number in lowest form. Okay. First, if randomly chosen student is asked to distinct randomly chosen question from the test, what is the probability that the student will answer both questions correctly? Note, the student and the question are chosen independently of each other. Okay. Random means that each individual student, each pair of question is equally likely to be chosen. So there is no preference given to the other. Okay. So let's do first part A, then we'll go on to the second part. Now the probability that a random chosen student is well prepared will be 5 out of 15. Random well prepared, I'm just writing. And the probability of a well prepared, so probability that well prepared student is well prepared and answering 2 random questions correctly. Answering correctly the 2 random questions will be 9 by 2 by 10 by 2. Okay. So the probability that a randomly chosen student is well prepared. So first you are choosing randomly a student and he needs to be well prepared, and along with that he needs to answer 2 randomly chosen questions correctly. So this can be written as 15 by, so it will be 5 by 14, which is the picking randomly a student who is well prepared, into 9 by 2 into 10 by 2. This will give you an answer 2 by 7. A student belongs to exactly one of these 3 preparedness category. Okay. So the desired probability is obtained by adding 2 by 7 with result of parallel calculation of the other 2 categories. Okay, so we will perform the same for the other 2 categories. So probability that both answers are correct will be given by probability. You randomly select a well prepared student and the probability that the randomly 2 questions that are picked randomly, he will answer it correctly. So it will become 9 by 10 by 10 by 2. This you add with moderately prepared, and this will be 6 by 2 by 10 by 2. And you add with this weakly prepared of probability of choosing randomly a weakly prepared guy, and he will answer the 2 randomly asked questions correctly. So this equals to 5 by 14 into 36 by 45 plus 6 by 14 into 15 by 45 plus 3 by 14 into 3 by 45, and this will be 31 by 70 will be your answer, and you cannot reduce it any further. So this will be the answer of part A. Now the next part is, now suppose that a student was chosen at random and asked 2 randomly chosen questions from the exam, and moreover did answer both questions correctly. Find the probability that the chosen student is well prepared. Okay, so this is part B. So the probability that a randomly chosen student was well prepared, given that he answers both the question correctly, will be, so it's a conditional probability. What is? You want a well prepared student to be chosen, given that he is answering both the randomly chosen question chosen randomly correct. So this will be probability of well prepared, that is the intersection and both correct, and the denominator will be probability both correct. Okay, so you will have 2 by 7 by 31 by 70, and you will get 20 by 30. Now you cannot reduce, this is the lowest form of the rational numbers, so it will be 31 actually. So it will be 31. So you cannot reduce it any further, so this will be the answer. I hope this short tutorial was helpful to you guys. If it was, then please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share our videos, and thank you so much for watching.